idea was that, bro? It's recording.
I don't know what to do.
I don't think this has a point class. My wife's a photographer, but she didn't show me how to use any cameras or anything.
You should just start recording and we'll just all go around.
I'm gonna zoom into Ethan. How are you feeling? Good. I don't know why he gave us this.
Leave the saving of the world to the men? I don't think so.
How do you feel?
Oh, I feel good, bro. So ready to be out of here, you know? Up my nose? That's weird.
What was your hardest class?
I'd have to say probably marathon methods or quantification biological processes.
So was it right to left?
Well, the email says put on the left side, but that was for the commencement speeches the other day. And generally we're on the left, except for Ethan over here. Ethan, is it right or left, bro? Right or left?
My channel, like, subscribe for more biological engineering content.
Bioengineering tips and tricks.
Tips and tricks.
Very nice.
Is it just recording?
I think so. I think that's just
How do you stop recording? That was actually really good. Caught. Sorry, I'm professional.
Go Aggies!
You guys are cute. So what did you accomplish here?
Oh, everything. Everything in my dreams.
I feel very awkward.
Eli's gonna show us the tassel flip.
Updating the tassel flip.
Wow, it fell off.
We got Austin.
Let's go.
Darren, when he's done with college, he's gonna go do some research.
do a chemical engineering master's out of BYU.
Okay,
That's my plan.
there we go. Plans after graduation. No plans. All right. Plans after graduation.
Go eat some food.
Yeah,
There we go. That's good. That's good. I'm talking long term. Yeah.
Oh,
Like, what are
I'm
you
gonna
gonna
be a stay-at-home mom.
There we go.
Be my baby.
Thermo Fisher, baby.
Thermo Fisher. Woo! No plans. Awesome. Will?
I am gonna cure cancer using only a plastic spoon
I believe in
and
you,
a
bro.
pipette.
I believe in you. Will do that
But
for
actually,
sure.
I'm
Oh, sorry.
going to the U.
There we go. Ethan.
Buying a van, living up Logan Canyon.
Really? Dude, I actually might do that as well.
Oh, really?
Low-key, yeah. That's what we're walking. Plans after graduation.
I'm staying for my master's.
That's right, Malin.
Going to Wisconsin.
Got the big job. Plans after graduation.
What?
What's next after graduation?
Find the best job in the world.
Oh yeah, I agree with that.
Try and get a job. See how it goes.
Oh yeah. You already got, no, Tyana has no plans. Okay, whatever. Out all the way through. Bro. This is such a mistake, bro. Why did they give me this? This is a bad idea to give me this, bro. We all know this is a bad idea.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to stand here with you all today.
Graduates, happy.
Let's see the diplomas, the cases.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
Scholar. Plus Oliver.
Yeah, how's Oliver? Oh.
Already. Here, let me get you. We got it. Very cute. Everyone's good.
It's our mascot, the
USU mascot. Right
It's
there.
a building.
Cameron Reese.
That one right there. That one has an A on it, but it's not showing up in the camera for some reason.
Carmen
And then
T-shirt.
every single one is the tower. Well,
James
oh,
A.
there we go. Another tower right there. Oh, there we go. All of us have
Garrett David
the medal.
the
Richardson.
medal's got a tower, you're right. So, this is an engineering math, guys. How many towers are in this room? Today, Will's gonna show us how to tie a tie. I can just go like this. There we go.
Logan Mika.
Yep.
Turn around again.
Okay.
Then you go up and over.
Joshua Robert Sorensen.
Then you go
Followed
down.
by Michelle Sorensen with a Bachelor's of Science in Kinesiology.
You got yourself a tie.
There we go. Even the kids can get the degree. How much that paper cost?
For celebrating
Dude, 40 grand.
after
40
graduates exit,
40 grand. How much
kindly
that
ask
paper?
that you promptly gather your belongings and reunite with your graduates.
How you feeling now you got your major, bro?
Doing great.
Feeling great? How much did that piece of paper cost you?
I don't know. I got a scholarship.
Oh, look, it's Will.
This is Kensley.
Did Kensley bring Will some candy?
No, this is from my family, but
Oh, Kensley is your family already.
dude, they didn't get my diploma.
What? Bro, you didn't graduate.
I didn't pay
You
the
got
fee.
4 more years, bro. Look at all these kids.
So you're saying that you can walk when you're a freshman?
You are a freshman. Alright guys, we have a new quest. Find the video guys, we give this back to him. Because I don't know where he went, you know?
Henry Shaw.
That bling bling, that bling bling. Why is this back in my hand?